No matter how much snow fell in your neighborhood, chances are you spent a few minutes or hours digging out. This is video from the Middletown Brook apartment complex where car after car was buried in snow. From cars to fire hydrants, NBC Connecticut's Andrew Rowan is speaking with people spending this snow day putting in work. He's in Middletown right now. Andrew, like so many communities, we know the snowbanks are pretty impressive there.
Absolutely. I mean, just look at the size of this snowbank. It even makes just crossing the street difficult because you got to go around it. The wind has really picked up just in the last hour or so. It's much colder than it was at 5 o'clock. If you look at the sidewalk, though, crews have really done a good job salting everything as all of Connecticut tries to clean up from this winter storm. The deals at Hartford's Liberty Mazda are buried deep under 17 inches of snow.
Luckily, my dad did my driveway for me, so shout out to my dad. But yeah, now I just have to do 300 of these.
The sales staff today turning on the ignition of every car, defrosting the windshield and showing off that all-wheel drive so plows can clear the lot. They seem to have fun.
Yeah, for the first one, you know, we get a couple more of these. You might want to stop back by. We won't be as excited about it.
This was I-91 South in Rocky Hill, where DOT crews are still on the clock, working to get blacktop visible on every highway and secondary road.
Their job was made easier because so many people did heed the warnings to stay home and to stay safe.
Commercial vehicle restrictions lifted Monday. The state is still asking anyone driving to take it slow and stay away from plows.
On the back of our trucks, it does say keep back 300 feet. That's about the length of a football field.
And as you clear off your own property, help the fire department clear fire hydrants. Yeah, there's one somewhere in that pile.
So if there is a fire, it's going to take a few extra minutes for us to get water.
Middletown Fire Captain Ron Zajac says a 3-foot radius is best.
We have had some great homeowners that have already had them snow blowed out, shoveled out for us, and we really appreciate the help with that.
And if you're clearing around a fire hydrant, they really want a 3-foot radius because fire crews want to have access to both connections on either side. Middletown's fire district alone has about 400 fire hydrants to clear. I'm sure whatever community you live in, there's a bunch of fire hydrants, and the fire department would appreciate it if you cleared the space around it. Mike, back to you.